Welcome aboard this absolutely stunning 65 by 12 foot wide beam built in 2025 by the multi-award-winning Kingsground Narrowboats. This boat was created to mark 30 years of Kingsground craftsmanship, and from the outside alone you can immediately see that this is something special. The exterior is finished in an elegant cream and grey livery, hand-painted throughout using the Epiphane's 2-pack polyurethane system. This isn't just about looks, it offers excellent UV resistance, durability and a depth of finish that will keep this boat looking exceptional for many years to come. The hull itself is Coalcraft 10654 steel thickness, blacked in 2-part epoxy with anodes fitted both fore and aft. Up on the roof you'll find a clean, well-thought layout including 2 170-watt solar panels feeding into a Victron MPPT system, helping keep the batteries topped up whether you're cruising or moored. The roof furniture is neatly spaced, practical and unobtrusive, everything exactly where you'd want it for safe roof walking and everyday use. At the bow, the lines are strong and purposeful, giving the boat real presence in the water. A 95 kilogram force bow thruster makes handling the wide beam straightforward and confidence inspiring, even in tight marinas or windy conditions. Tankage is generous and very well specified, a stainless steel water tank holding approximately 700 to 900 litres, fuel capacity around 500 to 600 litres, and a stainless steel waste tank of roughly 400 to 500 litres. Moving aft, the proportions of this boat really come into their own. At 12 feet wide, there's an impressive sense of space while still retaining the elegant, balanced lines. The stern is a pram-covered square cruiser, fitted with a high-quality cover by Kinver Canopies, creating a fully usable outdoor living area for all seasons. Underfoot you've got tech deck flooring, practical, grippy and easy to maintain, paired with a stern table that makes this an ideal space for entertaining or simply enjoying a quiet evening afloat. Everything at the stern is laid out with usability in mind, from the controls through to the access and visibility. The attention to detail here reflects the quality of the build throughout. More than just a boat, this is a statement of quality, craftsmanship and thoughtful design, a wide beam built for long-term comfort, easy handling and lasting pride of ownership. To arrange a viewing or for full details, get in touch with Tattenhall Marina, part of the Lakeland Leisure Group. Head over to our playlist for the other videos featuring this boat, including the full interior tour.